Welcome to our video on starting and running a successful kids cooking classes business. We'll explore essential resources, including books, podcasts, YouTube videos, AI tools, and courses, to help you navigate this exciting and growing field. First, let's dive into some must-read books. Kids Cooking Classes by Sarah E. Brown offers comprehensive strategies for engaging kids, lesson plans, and activities. Another great read is The Kids Cookbook by Lisa Manifold, featuring fun and healthy recipes. Podcasts are a fantastic way to gain insights on the go. Kids Cooking Classes podcast covers all aspects of teaching children how to cook. The Kitchen Table podcast offers recipes, cooking techniques, and interviews with chefs and food experts. YouTube videos provide visual and practical tips. Kids Cooking Classes by Kids Cooking Classes offers lesson plans and activities. Kids Cooking Fun focuses on engaging children in the kitchen with recipes, cooking techniques, and fun projects. AI tools can be incredibly helpful in organizing and planning your classes. Kids Cooking Classes Pro offers lesson plans, activities, and resources. Cooking for Kids provides recipes, cooking techniques, and safety tips tailored for young chefs. Courses offer structured learning paths. Teaching Kids to Cook by Kids Cooking Classes provides practical tips and strategies. Kids Cooking Fundamentals by Cooking for Kids covers essential cooking techniques and safety tips for children. For those focusing on safety, Kids Cooking Safety by Kids in the Kitchen is invaluable. It offers safety tips, cooking techniques, and fun kitchen projects. Kids Cooking Nutrition by Cooking with Kids teaches children about nutrition through engaging activities. Finally, if you're looking to start a business, starting a kids cooking businesses by the Cooking School Business Academy is a must. It covers marketing, operations, and curriculum development, providing a comprehensive guide to launching your venture.